Hello, kids. Very good morning to you all, and welcome to this new learning session. Kids, I hope that you all are good and doing your studies properly at your home. Today, your friend Foodle has joined us and he is going to show us his project on famous monuments. What? You don't know what is monument? Okay, don't worry, I will tell you. So, a structure made to keep alive the memory of a person or an event is known as monument, or an old building which has historical importance is also known as monument. Now, my dear kids, let's see some famous monuments of our country, India. Kids, look at this monument. Yes, this is Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is located in Delhi. And Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak in early 13th century with red stone. It is the tallest brick minaret in India. Kids, recognize this monument? Yes, this is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. And you know that Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Now look at this monument. Yes, this is India Gate, and India Gate is located in Delhi. India Gate was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who died in World War I. Now, kids, come with me and see this monument. Yes, this is Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur, the pink city. And you know, Hawa Mahal is built from red and pink sandstone. And kids, it was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. Now let's move to our next monument, and this is Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble building in Kolkata, West Bengal, which was built between 1906 and 1921. It is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria, then Empress of India, and is now a museum under the auspices of the Ministry of Culture. Now, let's see our next monument, Akshardham. Akshardham is located in Gujarat. Yes, now you must be thinking that we have Akshardham temple in Delhi too. You are right, but right now you are observing the Akshardham temple which is located in Gujarat. So, it was built over 13 years and was completed on 2nd November 1992. It is a tribute to spiritual guru Swami Narayan, his life and teachings. It is made by intricately carved pink sandstone. Now, let's see our next monument, which is Konark Temple in Odisha. Kids, the Konark or Konark Sun Temple is dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya, and it is conceived as a giant stone chariot with 12 wheels. It was built in 15th century by King Narsingh Dev I. Now let's see our next monument, which is Red Fort. Children, Red Fort is located in Delhi. Red Fort is also known as Lal Killa. It was built by Shah Jahan. It is made up of red sandstone. Now let's see our next monument, which is Golden Temple, and it is located in Amritsar. The Golden Temple or Golden Gurudwara or Harmandir Sahib is the holiest shrine of Sikhs. It was built in late 16th century by Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, and a copy of the Sikh scripture was placed inside the Gurudwara in 1604. Its sanctum walls were covered in marble and the dome was decorated with gold foil by Maharaja Ranjit Singh in the 19th century. Now our next monument is Jantar Mantar, which is located in Delhi. Jantar Mantar was built by Maharaja Jai Singh II in 1724. It is one of the amazing specimens that was used for astronomical purposes by the rulers earlier. Children, our next monument is Gateway of India, and it is located in Mumbai. It took 4 years to complete this monument's construction. Gateway of India is one of the monuments which attracts most of the visitors, and the main objective behind the construction of the Gateway of India was to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay. Now look at this monument. This is the monument of Hampi. Hampi is located in hilly terrain formed by granite boulders. Almost all of the monuments were built between 1336 and 1570 CE. It is pilgrimage center of Hindu religion. It is located in Karnataka. Now let's see our next monument, which is Khajuraho, and it is located in Madhya Pradesh. These temples were built by Chandela ruler between AD 900 and 1130. Out of 85 temples of Khajuraho, only 25 are survived after stages of preservation and care. So kids, after gathering so much information about historical monuments, now it's time for an activity. You have to do verb hunt, okay? So you have to list out the verbs which were mentioned in the video. Very good. So now let's read out these verbs. Located, built, died, completed, made, constructed, placed, decorated, covered, took, used, conceived, commemorate, survived. Very good. So now kids, it's time for some homework. So you have to frame 6 sentences from the verbs that are listed prior in the activity of verb hunt. So now kids, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you. Have a good day.